Guys, do you see who this is? Do you see who this is? We're gonna video each other while we're videoing. Hers is gonna be so much better, so I'll leave a link down in the description. Oh, I love you.
I love you too.
You're so much taller.
I know, I'm pretty tall.
So this is Charity.
Hi, Charity. How are you? Good. Oh.
All these beautiful boys are handsome boys. I'm sorry. Hi, Byron.
Say hi.
Oh, he's like, I was sleeping, man.
Yeah. He's kind of out of it.
But I'm gonna get off here so I can say hi because they're just here for a short set. So bye, y'all. So I'm on watching McLendon Homestead. Hey guys. And this is what we have to go through to get ready for the live. Chris broke our light.
I didn't break it, it fell apart.
And so we're going to move this one over to here. And then put another one up over there that will match better. But yes, so we have the electricity shut off to this side of the house.
Yeah, it's not going to be that exciting, okay?
I just had to share this with y'all. I'm sorry, my dirty, cluttered kitchen.
Single Dad Homestead.
So,
Hey.
Things we do.
hi, McLendon's. I'm watching your live on my... Now, y'all look. When I say I have a laptop that's older than dirt, or older than Methuselah, whoop, I'm serious.
Karen, I can't even... Look, I had the hardest time saying that word.
But anyways, I had to show y'all. This was hilarious. So, baby, how's it coming?
Great.
Good thing we had that light fixture in our closet forever, huh?
Yep.
How's it going, baby?
Taxing. Very taxing.
So you think this is worth it for a live?
It better be.
I think it will be. We'll enjoy it. We'll have fun.
Yeah.
By the time everybody sees this video, we done got through it, so...
Yeah, right?
Hey guys, if you just seen the live, you seen that I got a really awesome gift from Pine Knot Family Farms and Haskins Family Vlog. And so today, this Saturday, when I did the live, I'm fixing to get my hands in the dirt. I'm so excited. I'm so ready for this. And I can't thank my friends enough. So I hope y'all enjoy. Love y'all. Well guys, I have the dirt in for Charity's flower bed so far. Let's see what we can get in them later. So guys, Chris is putting the last few bags in that we had got from Fred's that was on sale. And I got the Charity's flower bed, is got dirt in it, ready to go. So my brother shows up and I put him to work. He wanted to, no, he really wanted to play in the dirt too, I think. And look who else showed up. So many people, Mama, they prayed for you, and we're so glad you're feeling better.
God's good.
Yes, guys, I may or may not be crying again. If you've seen the live, you know what I'm talking about. Look at this. Beautiful. So thankful.
I just messed that all up. I'm gonna stop.
Man, you stopped dancing when I started videoing.
Yep.
Y'all see the good news, B? My brother said that's good, that it's in my soul. So y'all let me know in the comments. Guys, it's been a long, hot, sweaty day, but we have something to tell you. They're full! That's right, guys. The planters, my garden beds, they are now full of dirt. And now comes the fun part. I get to put my stuff in there. Yay! Thank y'all so much.
I just want to say thank you to Jeff from Bubblehead for my Tithonias, and I'm going to start planting them.
Yay! She's getting it set up how she's going to want it before we start planting. Are you excited, Charity?
Yes.
Thank you, Jeff.
That.
Alright, guys, the first plant, the Tithonia, is in the ground. So happy right now. My baby girl is going to plant the rest of them because this is her flower garden, and then we're going to fill it in with some zinnia seeds. Go in a circle.
Bless you, Daddy.
Y'all hear Chris sneezing?
Sorry.
Blooper. No, I'm joking.
Crumble.
It's okay. They got wet, so they're not going to be hardened off as...
Like that.
Yep. Great job.